What's up, my lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cook smoky patty jollof rice. Let's get started. This is my already washed chicken. My tomato mix is a mixture of tomatoes, pepper, shombo, tatashi, and onions. I have my sliced onions. My ingredients: my salt, seasoning cubes, thyme, curry masala, and shrimp seasoning. Then I have my blended onions and pepper. I have my tomato paste, groundnut oil for frying of the chicken and for cooking. My natural spice is a mixture of fennel seed, coriander seed, dried ginger, dried turmeric, and dried garlic. Bay leaf, my rice. So I seasoned this with some seasoning cubes, salt, some of the roughly blended onion and pepper, some thyme, some seasoning, shrimp seasoning, natural spices, onions. Please don't be stingy with your spices because the life of your jollof rice depends on this chicken stock. Trust me. So you boil it. After boiling, the next step is to fry your chicken. And guys, I use the same oil for frying. I use it to cook the jollof rice. The next step is what you are seeing now. Add your onions, add the bay leaf, some of the natural spices, and stir. Then add the tomato mix, the tomato paste, and fry. Guys, you have to fry it for like I fried mine for 8 minutes so that sour taste will be out. I added the roughly blended pepper and onion. Cover and allow to cook. I added some salt, some seasoning cubes, and the meat stock. Allow to boil very well. Then the next thing is to add your already washed parboiled rice. Mix it. Please always use a wooden spoon for mixing so that you will not end up with a burnt rice. And don't allow the water to be too much so as not to end up with a soggy rice. And voila! Our smoky patty jollof rice is ready. Bon appetit, guys. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, do all those good stuff, and see you in my next one. Bye.